Alright, time for a how to make your own creepy dummy setup. Sure y'all remember me grabbing this chair from the woods and the bike. Now if you have an old lawn chair and it's broken, don't throw it out, because you can use it for a creepy Halloween setup. If it's white, like I'm assuming this one was, let it sit out and get weathered so it looks pretty much like this. And if your kid has an old bike and you can't seem to get rid of it, well, save it also. What I am going to do first is paint over the mongoose name and all the other trademarks on the actual bike, just so, you know, it just looks creepier. Now for those who like Utz cheese balls or any of the party mixes that come in plastic barrels, don't throw them out. Now instead of, fighting with the labels trying to get them off, I just decided to paint over them black. They'll be facing the back so you won't really see them. But I will show you exactly what I'm going to do with these eventually. Now it's time to also take our Grim Reaper staff and paint the handle black. And yes, we will be using the cat litter containers. You'll see. Old clothes, check. Cardboard, check. One cat litter tub in the pants. We got one in the shirt, but we might need a third. Dollar Tree hand steak, rolled up, stuck in rolled up cardboard. Rolled up cardboard for the arms so far. Almost done with the top half of his body. Pretty much gotta duct tape it in or it'll slide right out. Okay, that was a pain in the ass to put together. That is not going to be his head, by the way. That's going on the bike figure. His head I cannot leave outside because it has batteries and lights. It's basically an indoor decoration, but I'm going to put it out specifically for Halloween. And don't worry, there will be a video once everything is finished on how it looks when it's dark. So, yeah. A little bit of a struggle with the arms, but overall it works. Now let's work on the bike. Key is getting the bike to stay propped up because it does not have a kickstand anymore. So that cement or concrete stepping stone works perfectly for the pedal. Alright, the struggle will be getting him to stay on the actual bike, so I may keep it off until Halloween. But yeah, I think it'll work, for the most part. Oh yeah, and for the jugs, fill them up with water, put your Dollar Tree skeletons in it, and then glow sticks on Halloween Eve.